Hi viewers, it's me Needu. Welcome to my YouTube channel Helping Hand for Nurses. This video includes solved previous question paper of RRB staff nurse exam which was conducted in the year 2015. And I included only 50 questions of the question paper and the next 50 questions will be uploaded in the next video. The questions related to the nursing subject is already explained in my previous video, so please watch the previous videos. Watch the full video, and if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it, and also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications if I am uploading new videos. Let's start the video. First question, what is gout? Options: A degenerative disorder, B a vascular disorder, C a renal disorder, D a metabolic disorder. Answer is D, a metabolic disorder. So gout is a metabolic disorder. Next question. The civil disobedience movement was started in the year. Options: A 1905 AD, B 1920 AD, C 1930 AD, D 1942 AD. Answer is C 1930 AD. On historic day of 12th March 1930, Mahatma Gandhi inaugurated civil disobedience movement by conducting historic Dandi Salt March, where he broke salt laws imposed by British government. So the civil disobedience movement was started in the year 1930 AD. Next question. If 1st April 2014 is Tuesday, then 1st June 2014 will be. Options: A Thursday, B Friday, C Saturday, D Sunday. So the reference dates given are 1st April 2014 and 1st June 2014. There is no change in the year, that is the 2014, only there is a difference in the month. Since there is no February month in between these two months, so there is no need to check whether this 2014 year is a leap year or not. Okay, while calculating, we should not include this 1st April 2014. So while considering this April month, total in April month there are 30 days. We should reduce 1 day from this April month and the rest of the days will be 29. And the number of odd days in April is 1. How we will get this odd day? Divide this 29 by 7 and check the remainder. While dividing this 29 by 7, we will get the remainder 1. So 1 is the odd day in April month. Next, coming to the May month, there are 31 days in May month. While we check the number of odd days in May month, divide it by 7 and we will get the remainder 3. So there are 3 odd days in May month. Next, coming to June, we have to check till June, that is 1 June 2014. So only include the first day only include the first day, that is a 1. Next, we have to add these odd days, that is 1 plus 3 plus 1. We will get 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Then the reference day is Tuesday. And after 5 days, what will be the day? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the answer of this question is Sunday. Already I have uploaded a video regarding this calendar reasoning problem. Please watch that video so that you will get an idea regarding how to watch the problems related to calendar reasoning. Next question. The currency of Japan is. Options: A yen, B pound, C yuan, D peso. Answer is A yen. So the currency of Japan is yen. Next question. In a certain code language, Ming Yang Pei means fruits are ripe. Pe lo me mink means oranges are not ripe, and me pe new mink means mangoes are not ripe. Which word in that language means mangoes? So these are the statements and codes that are given in the question. We have to compare these three statements. Check the common words. That is, in these three statements, the common word is are. Okay, the common word is are, and common code is PE. PE. So we can consider R is equal to P. We have to find out the word which stands for mangoes. Okay, next compare the next two statements. The common words are not ripe, and the code which is common in these two statements is one code is mink and another code is may. Okay, so the remaining word in the last statement is a mangoes, and the remaining code is new. So the answer is new. The code which stands for this mangoes is new. So the answer of this question is new. Next question. The product of two numbers is 7. One of the numbers is 3/2. Find the sum of these two numbers. So in the question it is given that product of two numbers is 7, and first number is 3/2, and we have to find out the sum of the two numbers. Suppose A and B are the numbers. So product of two numbers, that is A into B, is equal to 7. Let A is equal to 3/2 because one of the number is given in the question. So A is equal to 3/2. That is 3/2 into B is equal to 7. While simplifying, we will get 14/3. B is equal to 14/3. So we have got the two numbers, A is equal to 3/2 and B is equal to 14/3. We have to check the sum of these two numbers. So A plus B is equal to 3/2 plus 14/3, and while simplifying we will get 6 1/6. So the answer is 6 1/6. So the answer of this question is D, 6 1/6. Next question. The light of which color is used to treat neonatal jaundice? Options A, red light, B, yellow light, C, orange light, D, blue light. Answer is D, blue light. Next question. There are 40 boys in a row. Ramesh is 14th from the right end of the row. What is his position from the left end of the row? Once again, there are 40 boys in a row. Ramesh is 14th from the right end of the row. What is his position from the left end of the row? Ramesh is 14th from the right end of the row. That is, in the last end of the row there are 14 boys. While we check the difference, that is 40 minus 14, we will get 26. So there are 26 boys before Ramesh's position, before the position of Ramesh from the left end of the row. So we have to add 1 to this 26 in order to find out the position of the Ramesh from the left end of the row. So while we adding 1 to 26, we will get the answer 27. So answer is 27. That is the position of the Ramesh from the left end of the row is 27th position. Next question. Identify the part of human stomach which connects or joins with esophagus. Options: A. Fundus, B. Cardia, C. Body, D. Pylorus. Answer is B. Cardia. So the part of the human stomach which connects or joins with esophagus is cardia. Next question. Which one of the following is infectious hepatitis? Options: A. Hepatitis A, B. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, D. Hepatitis D. Answer is A. Hepatitis A. So the infectious hepatitis is hepatitis A. Next question. Internationally, the Nursing Day is observed on. Options: A. May 12, B. November 14, C. October 24, D. December 22. Answer is A. May 12. Internationally, the Nursing Day is observed on May 12. Next question. Which one of the following vaccinations is necessary for pregnant lady? Options: A. Tetanus, B. BCG, C. Rubella, D. DPT. Answer is A. Tetanus. So the tetanus is a vaccination which is necessary for the pregnant lady. Next question. What is the chemical name of aspirin? Options: A. Acetic salicylic acid, B. Acetyl salicylic acid, D. Acetone salicylic acid, D. Amide salicylic acid. Answer is B. Acetyl salicylic acid. The chemical name of aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid. Next question. Indian Standard Time, that is IST, refers to the local time of which one of the following places in India? Options: A. Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Allahabad, D. Jaipur. Answer is C. Allahabad. The time observed throughout India is Indian Standard Time. It is calculated on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude, which is just west of town of Mirzapur near Allahabad in the state of UP. Next question. The first stool of neonate is called. Options: A. Sebum, B. Lanugo, C. Meconium, D. Vernix gaseosa. Answer is C. Meconium. The first stool of neonate is called meconium. Next question. Mohan and Sohan together can do a job in 12 days. Sohan alone can do this job in 28 days. In how many days can Mohan alone do this job? Once again, Mohan and Sohan together can do a job in 12 days. Sohan alone can do this job in 28 days. In how many days can Mohan alone do this job? In the question it is given that Mohan and Sohan together can do a job in 12 days. That is M plus S is equal to 12. And Sohan can do the job alone in 28 days. We have to find out how many days it will take the Mohan to complete a job. So let the work done by Mohan in one day is 1 by X. Then the work done by Mohan and Sohan together in one day will be 1 by 12. And the work done by Sohan in one day will be 1 by 28. While substituting these values in this M plus S equal to 12, we will get 1 by X plus 1 by 28 is equal to 1 by 12. Then while simplifying, we will get 1 by x is equal to 1 by 21. It is a work done by Mohan in 1 day, that is 1 by 21. Then x is equal to 21 days. So the Mohan will take 21 days to complete a job. So the answer of this question is 21 days. Next question. Which one of the following is known as poor man's meat? Options A. Milk, B. Fish, C. Pulses, D. Chicken. Answer is C. Pulses. So the poor man's meat is pulses. Next question. Rajan is 6th from the left end and Vinay is 10th from the right end in a row of boys. If there are 8 boys between Rajan and Vinay, how many boys are there in the row? Once again, Rajan is 6th from the left end and Vinay is 10th from the right end in a row of boys. If there are 8 boys between Rajan and Vinay, how many boys are there in the row? This is from the left end and this is from the right end. So Rajan is in the position 6th from the left end of the row. So after 5 boys, then comes the position of the Rajan. Okay. And from the right end of the row, Vinay's position is 10th. That is, before Vinay there are 9 boys. And here is the position of the Vinay. And in between Rajan and Vinay, there are 8 boys. So while adding these numbers, we will get the answer as 24. So the answer for this question is 24. That is, there are 24 boys in the row. Next question. Which of the following test is used to detect typhoid bacillus? Options A. VDRL, B. Vidal, C. BCG, D. UDRL. Answer is B. Vidal. So Vidal is a test which is used to detect typhoid bacillus. Next question. Find the 21st term of the following series. So this is the series, that is 3, 9, 15, 21. We have to find out the 21st term. While we checking the difference between these numbers, that is 9 minus 3, 6, 15 minus 9, 6, 21 minus 15, 6. So 6 is the common number. That is 6 is the difference. And it is a question from the topic arithmetic progression. Let us see how we can solve this problem. There is a formula to identify nth term in arithmetic progression. That is, nth term in arithmetic progression is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A, it is the first number. Here it is 3. N is number of numbers. That is total number of numbers in the series. Here we have to find out the 21st term. That is, there are total 21 numbers. So n is equal to 21. D is the difference. The difference in this series is 6. So while substituting these numbers in this formula, we will get the answer as 23. So the 21st term of the following series is A123. Next question. Thalassemia is a congenital. Options A. Defect in bones, B. Blood disorder, C. Neural defect, D. Muscular defect. Answer is B. Blood disorder. Thalassemia is a congenital blood disorder. . Then next question. Okay. Rice water stool is a symptom of options A. Dengue, B. Malaria, C. Cholera, D. Typhoid. Answer is C. Cholera. So rice water stool is a symptom of cholera. Next question. Which of the following is a presentation graphics software? Options A. MS Windows, B. MS Word, C. MS Excel, D. MS PowerPoint. Answer is D. MS PowerPoint. The presentation graphics software are the tools that let people make slideshows of charts, diagrams and graphics on computer that can be shown to a group using a projector. So the answer for this question is the MS PowerPoint. Next question. Who built Red Fort at Delhi? Options A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Jahangir, D. Aurangzeb. Answer is B. Shah Jahan. Emperor Shah Jahan started construction of Red Fort on 12 May 1638 when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. Next question. Wilms tumor affects which of the following? Options A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Uterus, D. Skin. So Wilms tumor affect kidney. Next question. In a certain code, dog is written as GRG. Then how will cat be written in that code? So in the question it is given that dog is written as GRJ. We have to find out the code which stands for CAT, cat. Okay, first check the letter, that is D. Okay, here is a D and corresponding letter is G. So after two letters comes G. Next letter is O. Okay, here is O. Then corresponding letter is R. Again after two letters came R. Next letter is what? G. Okay, after two letters comes a corresponding letter J. Okay, two letters are skipped between. Then in the same manner we can find out the code stands for cat. Okay, here is a C. After two letters comes F. So the first letter corresponding to C is F. Then next letter is A. After two letters comes D. So the second letter corresponds to A is D. Next is T. Here is a T. After two letters comes W. So corresponding letter to T is W. So the answer for this question is C, F, D, W. Next question. Which one of the following blood group is universal recipient? Options A blood group, B, O blood group, C, AB blood group, D, B blood group. Answer is AB blood group. So the universal recipient is AB and universal donor is O. Next question. Bulimia nervosa and anorexia nervosa are options A. Sleep disorder, B. Eating disorder, C. Nervous disorder, D. None of this. Answer is B. Eating disorder. Bulimia nervosa and anorexia nervosa are eating disorders. Next question. Which city will host Olympic Games 2020? Options A. Madrid, B. Istanbul, C. Rio de Janeiro, D. Tokyo. Answer is D. Tokyo. Next question. One side of a rectangle is 40 meters and its diagonal is 50 meters. Find the perimeter of this rectangle. So one side of the rectangle is given as 40 meters and its diagonal it is given as 50 meters. We have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Let ABCD is the rectangle. AB and CD is the length and BC and AD is the width or breadth. Length and breadth. So width or breadth is the BC and AD. Okay, this is the diagonal. AC is the diagonal. Okay, there is a formula for the perimeter of a triangle, that is perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. It is 2 into length plus breadth. In the question it is given that one side of the rectangle is 40 meters. Suppose length, that is AB, is 40 meter. Then we don't know BC. So in order to find out the perimeter we need both length and breadth. First we have to find out the breadth. We have taken length as 40 meter, we have to find out the breadth. Okay, and another means option which is given is that diagonal AC is 50 meter. Okay, since this is a right angled triangle, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is diagonal D square is equal to length square plus breadth square or width square. Okay, substituting these values in this formula, we will get 40 square plus BC square is equal to 50 square. And at the end, we will get BC is equal to 30. So, we got the breadth as 30 and we already taken length as 40 and substitute the value in the formula of perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. We will get the answer as 140. So the perimeter of the rectangle is the answer B, 140 meter. Next question. What does an electronic spreadsheet consist of? Options A, rows, B, columns, C, cells, D, all of this. Electronic spreadsheet consists of rows, columns and cells. So the answer for this question is D, all of this. Next question. The general side effect of penicillin is options A, rashes with itching, B, fever, C, renal calculi, D, gastrointestinal disturbances. Answer is A, rashes with itching. The general side effect of penicillin is rashes with itching. Next question. Complete the series. 21, 47, 23, 49, 25, 51, 26 and we have to find out this number. Okay, while closely observing we can see that 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 2, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. And the same manner 47 plus 2, 49, 49 plus 2, 51. And the next number will be 51 plus 2, that is 53. So the answer is B, 53. Next question. Snellen's chart is used for measuring. Options A, vision, B, hearing, C, smell, D, touch. Answer is A, vision. Snellen's chart is used for measuring vision. Next question. Which is the largest nerve in human body? Options A, femoral nerve, B, sciatic nerve, C, pudendal nerve, D, thoracic nerve. Answer is B, sciatic nerve. The largest nerve in human body is B, sciatic nerve. Next question. A person spends 1/4 part of his salary on food. 3 by 8 part of his salary on house rent. He is now left with rupees 4,800. Find his total salary. Once again, a person spends 1 by 4th part of his salary on food, 3 by 8th for his house rent, and he is now left with rupees 4,800. We have to find out his total salary. Suppose the total salary as x. Okay, 1 by 4th part is 1 by 4x, 3 by 8th part is 3 by 8x, and the remaining amount in his hand is 4,800. That is total adding these, that is 1 by 4x plus 3 by 8x plus 4,800. It is equal to x, that is the total salary. We have to find out this x. And that is 4,800 is equal to x minus 1 by 4x minus 3 by 8x. Take the x as common, then we will get 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8. While simplifying it, we will get 3x by 8. That is 3x by 8 is equal to 4,800. At the end, we will get x is equal to 12,800. So the answer for this question is D, 12,800. Next question. Which one of the following iron helps in blood clotting? Options A, calcium ion, B, manganese, C, potassium, D, phosphate. Answer is A, calcium ion. So calcium ion helps in blood clotting. Next question. The weight of an infant baby becomes twice the birth weight at the age of. Options A, 6 months, B, 1 year, C, 2 year, D, 3 year. Answer is A, 6 months. The weight of an infant baby becomes twice the birth weight at the age of 6 months. Next question. Angiography is X-ray visualization of. Options A, heart, B, lungs, C, blood clots, D, blood vessels. Answer is D, blood vessels. So angiography is the X-ray visualization of blood vessels. Next question. MMR vaccination is done for protection against. Options A, measles, mumps, rubella, B, measles, mumps, rabies, C, measles, malaria, rabies, D, meningitis, mumps, rubella. Answer is mumps, measles, rubella. Next question. Find the simple interest amount if rupees 1,500 is lent out at the rate of 9% per annum simple interest for 6 years. So in the question we have to find out the simple interest, and the principal it is given as 1,500, and at the rate of R is equal to 9% per annum, and the term it is given as 6 years. So we know that the formula simple interest is equal to PRT by 100, that is P principal, R rate per annum, T term. And here P is 1,500, R is 9% per annum, T is 6 years, and substituting it in formula we will get simple interest as 810. So the answer for this question is A, that is 810. Next question. Find the compound interest if rupees 2,000 is lent out at the rate of 10% per annum compounded yearly for 3 years. Find the compound interest if 2,000 is lent out at the rate of 10% per annum. So principal is rupees 2,000, term is 3 years, and rate is 10% per annum. We have to find out the compound interest. There is a formula is that amount is equal to compound interest plus principal. And how we will find out the amount? There is a formula for amount, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. P it is given as 2000 and R it is given as 10 and T it is given as 3. So 2000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to 3. And while simplifying it, we will get the amount as 2662. So we got the amount and we are having principal 2000, and substituting in this formula we will get the compound interest as 662. So the answer for the question compound interest is equal to rupees 662. Next question. Which one of the following is a test for diphtheria? Options A. Mantoux test, B. Schick test, C. Viral test, D. Vidiaral test. Answer is B. Schick test. So Schick test is a test for diphtheria. Next question. When we open an internet site, we see www. What is the full form of www? Options A. World Wide Web, B. World Wide Word, C. World's Wise Web, D. None of this. Answer is World Wide Web. Then next question. The number of chromosomes in normal human cell is options A. 46, B. 48, C. 50, D. 52. Answer is A. 46. The number of chromosomes in normal human cell is 46. Next question. Which extension is given to Word document by default? Options A. COM, B. EXT, C. DOC, D. None of this. Answer is C. DOC. Next question. Who was called as the Grand Old Man of India? Options A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. G.K. Gokhale, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. So Grand Old Man of India is Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. Find the value of 128 raised to minus 2 by 7. And we have to find out 120 raised to minus 2 by 7. There is a negative exponent rule, that is b raised to minus n is equal to 1 by b raised to n. Like this we can write this 128 raised to minus 2 by 7 as 1 by 128 raised to 2 by 7. We can write this 128 as 2 raised to 7, and while simplifying this we will get answer as 1 by 4. So the answer for 128 raised to minus 2 by 7 is B, 1 by 4. Next question. Paracetamol is not given to those patients who are already suffering from options A. Liver disorder, B. Kidney disorder, C. Lung disorder, D. GIT disorder. Answer is A. Liver disorder. Paracetamol is not given to those patients who are already suffering from liver disorder. Next question. Who is known as Lady with the Lamp? Options A. Mother Teresa, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Florence Nightingale, D. None of this. So the lady with the lamp is C. Florence Nightingale. So these are the 50 solved questions from the previous question paper of RRB staff nurse examination. Next 50 questions will be discussed in my next video. So if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications if I am uploading new videos. Thank you for watching my channel.